Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very interesting pattern here has taken shape, and let's just hop right into it. And I should note that I'm not trying to come across like I have some sort of special talent or great ability or have discovered something secret to be able to draw this pattern. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are keeping an eye on this. And I say all that because when a lot of people are watching the same patterns and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have here with this pattern. So the first part of this pattern, just a very straightforward resistance trend line right there. And then the bottom part of this pattern, just a very straightforward support trend line right there. So actually, let me change just the green to represent more of a bullish dynamic of it. But what we have is just a good old-fashioned wedge, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it. If you want to put kind of a pull portion to it and put the golf hole down here to make it a little bit more visual, a bull pennant. But the whole idea here is not the name of the pattern, but what it's telling us. And what it's telling us is that, yeah, the bears are making progress by pushing the price down. However, the bulls are also making progress by pushing the price up, but you got to give the advantage, and why this would be a bullish pattern is because this is all occurring within an overall uptrend, most clearly seen by that uptrending purple line right there. And let me be very clear, just because it's a bullish pattern does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going up. If only trading were that easy. However, in terms of, what would not be shocking to see, well, to see this price, potentially make another move upwards, I don't think it's going to catch anybody off guard. Again, doesn't make it a guarantee, but it does make it a more than valid and rational thought to be having that, if you think that the price, could make a move back up to $24 and potentially above. So that's the name of the game. Keep an eye on that pattern moving forward, and let's see which way the price ultimately decides to break. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.